Smile at again.
Thank you. White पहले white करने दो.
Thank you so much, Pele, for everybody to be a part of this. We are 17 years old. पूरे 17 साल हो गए हैं. And जब शुरू किया था, we started for female feticide. उसके बाद there were a lot of issues of medical etc. which we did. And then we heard Mr. Prime Minister जी का जो बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ initiative. So we took it on ourselves कि जितने भी लड़कियों को हम पढ़ा सकते हैं, let's start doing it. Today we are educating 323 girls who in the last 2-3 years have stood first in SSC, HSC etc. Last year भी उनको हम लेके आए थे, last year students. This year we've got the students who've topped this year. So they're all going to be a part of it. And very honestly, all of us who support Beti in any which way, we become like an NGO in ourselves. We take out of ourselves, we take out time, energy, effort to do for a cause, which itself means a lot. ऐसे shows basically क्या होता है, ये events होते हैं, but they are, the bigger picture is just to get everybody together because this is just a tariqa, you know. So thank everybody for being with us today, and hopefully many years to come we can make a difference in the lives of families by educating their daughters. So it's a good feeling. मैं सच्ची बताऊं, सुबह से मैं अपनी बच्चियों को नहीं मिली. I've been right here since morning. But yes, I have 2 beautiful daughters. I love them with a passion. And हमारे लिए tell you the truth, Mother's Day every day होता है. झगड़े भी होते हैं, प्यार भी होता है. But I'm very happy that I have daughters. I'm happy. पारुल अच्छा लगता है, बट क्या हो रहा है ना, what happens, you want to do more, you just feel only this and no more. I want to do more, I want to do more. So in the process you feel इनका हो गया, they're doing well, let's get on to the bigger picture and get more girls. It's just a feeling that now you're into it, you don't want to leave out on anybody by if you can. So that is the reason I reach out to everybody. और एक चीज़ बताना पड़ेगा, हमारी जो इंडस्ट्री है is very large hearted. Everybody supports us from television, films, म्यूज़िक, एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री. आप मानोगे नहीं, पिछले 17 साल में I've had 673 people from our industry walk the ramp for us in support of this cause and spread the word around. So it's a very good feeling to be a part of this industry also. I think they all love the fact that they are part of the bigger picture, and in their own way they are here supporting it, and they know their voices are heard, what they say, what they do, and maybe they also are making their darnest effort to get this message across, which is why they're all a part of it, and they feel for it. So that feeling is there, therefore they're all a part of it. Just that, please everybody, very important to, in your own way, जो भी आप support कर सकते हो, जो भी cause, God has given you so much, you're a privileged one. And for the not so privileged, if we can do something, you're going to be blessed. Thank you so much. Thank you.
हाँ जी
राइट में या बोथ में राइट में उधर भी लेफ्ट कॉर्नर राइट में आपका सेंटर
Now your bites while I scream at you.
थोड़ा पीछे आ जाइए
Congratulations on the initiative that BT, the 17th year. What a lovely and a beautiful initiative. So many lives being touched, so many girls being educated. क्या कहेंगे आप?
देखिए, ये मुहिम जो हमने छेड़ा था उस वक्त ये जो अवेयरनेस थी अबाउट बेटी एंड अबाउट गर्ल चाइल्ड वाज नॉट एज मच जितना आज है। तो मुझे खुशी है कि इतने सालों से हम डिफरेंट तरीके से गर्ल चाइल्ड के लिए काम कर पाए हैं, चाहे वो उनकी एजुकेशन का रहा हो, चाहे उनकी हेल्थ का इशू रहा हो, या कोई भी सोशल ईवल जैसे एसिड विक्टिम्स और भी कई तरह की जो चीज़ें समाज में जो हमारे बुराइयां हैं उनके अगेंस्ट हमने न सिर्फ आवाज़ उठाई बल्कि उन्हें फाइनेंशियली इमोशनली हेल्प भी किया। तो मुझे खुशी है कि आज हम इतना लंबा सफ़र बहुत खूबसूरती से तय कर पाए और मैं शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ उन सभी लोगों का जो साल दर साल आकर हमारे साथ खड़े होते हैं, हमारी मदद करते हैं और हमें ये हौसला देते हैं कि हम आगे भी इस तरह का काम करते हैं। मैं सब बेटियों को, इस देश की सभी बेटियों को ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि आप शक्ति हैं, आप किसी भी तरह से दूसरे सेक्स से कम नहीं हैं, आप में हर वो क्षमता है जो मर्द में होती है और ये समाज अब बदल चुका है और आपके साथ खड़ा है, हम आपके साथ खड़े हैं। Very pretty.
साथ में अभी क्या बात है?
क्या?
Thank you.
उनका ले लीजिए। हाँ। बाइट साथ में करें। Are you changing your shoes?
If you let me know when you do.
Yes.
So that will be fine.
Firstly, thank you. And secondly, I can't believe it's been 17 years. I remember going for the first event, जो इतना छोटा सा था, जहाँ पर basically it started off with just creating awareness against the killing of the girl child in India. But over the years, इतने लोगों ने हमें confidence दिखाया, हमें faith दिखाया है कि हमें, they approached us if they needed help. They donated to us, saying that okay, we trust you to help people. So it's been a great feeling, and I'm so proud to be born and raised in a family that was always sensitive towards other people, and I'm hoping that I can continue that tradition.
I think I've been associated with it in the last 5 years. That's where I met her, and it's an honor for me to just be able to be here to try and do my little bit that I can to try and spread more awareness of this wrongdoing that we are trying to fight over here, and it's just an honor to be here. Perfect day to have.
Yeah, it's a double dhamaka, Mother's Day and the Beti show.
Yeah.
So this is a mini celebration for all the moms also that will be coming in here today. And I'm glad that they trust us to want to have celebrate this big day with us. So all the Betis are here, all the mamas are here. So I think it's going to be a great event.
Both our mamas are going to be here.
Yeah, and both our mamas are going to be here.
I think every
Best.
day is Mother's Day, so we.
I've had a lot of memories, but I think I remember my mother used to travel a lot when we were younger. So my most fun memory is I used to see the car. I used to know that my mom is coming because my father used to start being very shady at home. कि पूछते थे कि आज थोड़ा late सोना है, आज कुछ special खाना है, and then I knew my mom would be coming. So I used to love staring out of my window, and down the road I would see my car coming, and I knew mom was home. So those are the memories that I have like with her, which were really fun and cute, and I think about it even now.
I think our Mother's Day have been very normal and quiet. We usually go out for family dinners on Mother's Day. That has been our tradition. Now that my sister is also a mother, so she usually comes over with the kids, and then we make it another family get together and just go and have a simple dinner. That's how we like to keep it.
Thank you. Thank you.
सर राइट में यहाँ पे अलग भी सेंटर है क्या बात थैंक यू पापा को भी लिया
जी का एक बहुत नोबल इनिशिएटिव है बिकॉज टुडे इंटायर वर्ल्ड इज़ वर्किंग ऑन विमेन एम्पावरमेंट और जिस प्रकार से हम देखते थे एक ज़माने में मेल फीमेल रेशियो का जो जेंडर रेशियो था वो डिस्टर्ब हो जाता था क्योंकि देयर वाज अ कन्वेंशन ऑफ फीटोसाइड सो लेकिन जिस प्रकार से मैं समझता हूँ कि प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का जो नारा है बेटी बचाओ और बेटी को पढ़ाओ तो आई थिंक दिस शिफ्ट in the philosophy of focusing attention on the women empowerment begins from the child. और मैं समझता हूँ मदर से बड़ा कोई भी एजुकेटर नहीं. Today is a Mother's Day and I feel the finest philosophical indoctrination happens to the mother.
तो अगर बेटी को अच्छे संस्कार मिलेंगे, अच्छा एक्सपोजर मिलेगा, तो मैं समझता हूँ कि उनका जो जीवन है, उनका जो फ्यूचर है, मुस्तकबिल है, वो बहुत ही खूबसूरत होगा। तो मदर का जब हक मिलता है बच्चे को, तो जो उसके अंदर एनर्जाइज होती है, तो ये जो लव है ना, वी ऑल हैव टू वर्क टुगेदर। द बायस अगेंस्ट वुमेन हैज़ टू रिड्यूस, क्योंकि अभी हम देखते हैं कि काफ़ी समाज के अंदर अभी भी विमेन के प्रति जो सम्मान होना चाहिए वो नहीं है। आई थिंक वी ऑल हैव टू वर्क कलेक्टिवली, एंड आई थिंक द बेटी इनिशिएटिव इज एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी। एंड मुझे लगता है 15-16 साल से अनुरंजन इस प्रोग्राम को कर रही हैं। टुडे बीइंग संडे, आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ पीपल हैव कम। इट्स अ ग्रेट सेलिब्रेशन एंड आई वांट टू कंग्रेचुलेट बेटी एंड ऑल्सो अनुरंजन फॉर ऑर्गेनाइजिंग सच अ ग्रेट इवेंट। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
बेटी has completed 17 long years with a noble cause. अनुजी का ये बहुत खूबसूरत इनिशिएटिव है, आप क्या कहेंगे?
Actually बहुत ज़्यादा I mean I'm very happy to be associated with बेटी because मैं पहली बार I'll be walking the ramp for this amazing initiative. So पहली बात तो congratulations on 17 successful years and उम्मीद करता हूँ कि मैं ऐसे ही जुड़ता रहूँ आप सबके साथ।
आज आप वॉक भी कर रहे हैं,
जी,
क्या कहेंगे उसके बारे में?
मैंने हमेशा से देखा है कि बहुत सारे मेरे कॉलीग्स इस रैंप पर चल चुके हैं इस इनिशिएटिव के लिए, बेटी के लिए, और आज मुझे मौका मिल रहा है तो मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा आई थिंक मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हूँ इस चीज़ के लिए कि मुझे आज मौका मिल रहा है इस रैंप पर चलने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर हैविंग मी। थैंक यू। पारुल।
It's absolutely commendable. So many years of Beti. I want to wish all the people working towards this effort all the best. And in a country, not just in our country, all over, I think women have not been empowered, and it's no matter how much you do, it is less. Even if you look at the fastest growing segment in entrepreneurship, it is women who are the fastest growing. and yet we get so many roadblocks. People don't take them seriously. Financiers don't. Even families don't. So even organizations like this, like you said, we have 350 girls who are being educated by Beti. So many organizations like this, they are going to empower women, make them more confident. Research has shown that women who are given even little skill development practice for a year have so much confidence and contribute so much to the economy and to the family and all of that. So it's a great effort, and I applaud it. And I just want to wish you all the best, and I hope you all do wonderful. And even a slogan makes a difference sometimes. Like Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao has made a huge difference. We don't see it in the city because we've been given education, but far-flung villages, I've seen the difference that it has made to the attitude of parents, and especially in remote areas where women were not given this opportunity to go and educate. There, the men and women are saying, let's educate our girls because of just the slogan and the campaign. So yes, Beti is one step ahead of that, where they are already educating. So it's wonderful. On Mother's Day, I wish all of you all great happiness on Mother's Day. You want to say something, Beti? Just wish them all the best. Yeah, you want to say something?
Yeah, happy Mother's Day to my favorite mother.
Oh, you have two mothers? Yeah, you do. Thank you.
So 17 years, but I just want to tell everybody. Okay, I just want to tell everybody, जब मैंने इस इंडस्ट्री में कदम रखा था, in the TV industry, the first ramp walk that I did, the first ramp walk was for Beti, and आज तक वो visuals, आज तक वो memories fresh है, और मैंने उससे पहले कभी stage walk, ramp walk नहीं किया था. That was my first attempt, and आज तक वो pictures have gone everywhere, and I really miss that time. So आज, after 12 years also, it's the same association and this movement have been running for so long. I think that's commendable, and it's an honor to be working for a cause like Beti at all times. And also with ITA, I have had the longest associations performing for them, so it feels great all the time. No, sir, no upcoming project. Anji? I don't know यार, मेरे कोई friend नहीं है इस बार उसमें. I have no idea. But हाँ, Arjit, I'm wishing Arjit all the very, very best. But just want to tell everybody that is this one show that I will give my life to do one more time. भले ही कितनी चोटें लगती है, but it's something fun and better, way better than 5 other reality shows that are there. Done. Thank you guys. I have to say anything. I mean, isn't this the most common thing that happens in my life? I think I'm used to that, and I think it's a part of my lifestyle, so I kind of enjoy that. So thank you everybody for doing that.
Very easy. My sister's father-in-law celebrations. While he's slowing down, my sister's father-in-law, he's slowing down his business, but upon me insisting, he designed the grey sari because our film is NRI Wives, grey stories of love versus desires. So I wanted to go with the grey shades. Indeed. So मेरा बहुत ही cosmic relationship है with Mother's Day. I left my motherland, India, 19 years ago to move to US, शादी करके. I lost my daughter on Mother's Day several years ago. So I have a very cosmic relationship. We wanted to release our film on Mother's Day here, the NRI Wives. But so I'm a very happy mom. I have 2 boys. But ईश्वर ने जो मेरी कंजक ले ली ना, मेरी बेटी ले ली, वो यूनिवर्स ने वापस दी नहीं. But that's what makes me feel more belonging. And हर बेटी में मुझे एंजल नजर आती है. So सच में, I mean, I'm not saying for the heck of it. And of course, this is a beautiful cause. Who doesn't want to support the angels? Thank you.
See, the word Beti itself is close to everyone's heart. Whether a woman in any form, Beti, Ma, Bahan, whatever we talk about it. That's the reason when Anuji approached me, the only one reaction I could give her was, yes, we are together for the cause. I look forward that we can make a difference. Yes, there is some surprise element coming up. और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि जिन लोगों के लिए सरप्राइज रखा है उनको डेफिनेटली पसंद आएगा. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू सो मच. Nothing. It's all thanks to Anuji who has taken this initiative forward, and I really hope we can deliver it much better.
Come Anju. Yes, सबसे पहले तो we had some other plans because my daughter Prakriti, she wanted to treat her mother, and luckily यहाँ हमको invitation आया तो I was so overwhelmed क्योंकि हमारा कहीं और था प्रोग्राम और इसी बहाने हम लोग बेटी के लिए आए और बेटी मेरी इकलौती एक ही बेटी है तो हमको बेटी की जो एक सेंटिमेंट्स हैं वो हमारे लाइफ में राइट फ्रॉम हर चाइल्डहुड टिल टुडे वो हमने हमारे दिल से जुड़े हुए हैं. एंड आई बीइंग एन एल्डरली एक्टर मेरे साथ बहुत बेटियों ने काम किया है और मेरा पेट डायलॉग परवरिश का ये था विच आई से टू श्वेता तिवारी शी प्लेड माई डॉटर तो उसको मैंने एक डायलॉग है इन्वर्टेड कॉमर्स कि बेटे जो हैं वो शादी से पहले अपने होते हैं लेकिन शादी के बाद वो पराए हो जाते हैं, लेकिन बेटियां शादी से पहले तो अपनी होती हैं लेकिन शादी के बाद वो और ज़्यादा अपनी हो जाती हैं, एंड दैट प्रूव्स हियर nowadays betis are more important for parents. God bless.